This is our international program in Heidelberg, Germany.
My name's Lindsay.
And I'm Dale.
Come inside with us.
After walking up all those stairs, the door is the second place you have to put in your code.
First one's down by the gate. Welcome to Morehouse.
Now we're going to pass it over to Elliot.
Hello and welcome. So up here, around here, is the grand foyer. Here up there is the flags above the staircase. In here we have the computer room. Let's take a look. Here we have the computer room. It's a really good place to kind of relax and stay back, but also for commuting. Here we have a kind of a quieter place around the mini computers. And here we have Lucas working hard away. He's one of our great IT people.
Hey, I'm Kellen. I'm about to show you the student common room. This is a great place to just chill and hang out. You can do puzzles, you can do homework. This is where we have house church. There's piano, guitars, and as you come on further, there's a little cute library back here. Great place to study or just have a really good view. And yeah, there's a ton to do here.
Hey everyone, my name's Liam and I'm going to show you our terrace. This is a great place to grab some fresh air. You can study over here at our table and watch the sunset over the town of Heidelberg. Or you can come out here and chill with friends, have a great view of the castle over here.
Hi, my name is Ella and welcome to the girls' floor. Follow me to my room. This is room 10. This shows a typical setup that a girl might get. We each get a bed and a closet area, and I think room 10 is the best because of our great study nook and the great view that we got.
Hi, I'm Maddie and I'm going to show you a typical bathroom. So in here we have just a toilet and sink, which is really nice because there's a lot of space in here and you can like do your makeup and get ready in the morning. And here there are 2 showers and also 2 sinks, and so yeah, it's really nice because there's lots of space.
My name is Owen. Follow me to the boys' floor. Alright, so this is the boys' floor. We have 5 bedrooms starting over there, going all the way through this hallway. So this is a typical boys' room. We have 2 bunk beds, 4 beds, a sink over there, some closet space behind here, and a walk-in closet over there.
Hey guys, I'm Austin. I'm gonna show you the attic. Look around, we got some leisure area over here, some games over there. Let's go this way. Got some more leisure area over here, a TV, a place you can put your luggage, some lights. Pretty chill place. This is a great spot to play Nintendo or just watch a movie with your friends or just chill out after you're doing some homework or something.
Alright, I'm Evan. I'm in Germany. And this is the laundry room. This is the laundry room. We got industrial grade laundry machines. We can fit a lot of clothing and bed sheets in these industrial grade laundry machines. And we have the same amount of people as a freshman house, and we have 4 times the amount of laundry machines. So it's kind of nice. Well, now this is the ping pong room. We'll have yet to lose this year, 0-0.
Hi, my name is Sophia. These doors are our program director's offices. They are great, you'll love them. And then this is also a second entrance into Morehouse. And if you follow me, I can take you to the breakfast room. So the breakfast room is where we come when we just want to hang out with our friends. You can see the kitchen's back there. We make breakfast in here. There's a stove, oven, pots and pans. Sometimes we'll play games in here. There's a huge TV that we'll watch movies on, play music off of, or hook up video game stations, and people will just hang down here whenever they have free time. We also use this room to study with people, so it's just a great space to be together.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I'm Masha, and thank you for joining us on the tour of the Morehouse in our international program here in Heidelberg, Germany. We wish you guys good luck on your applications, and we hope to see you here soon. Tschüss!